Dr. Gregory Johnson, and you're going to get to see Joseph do the ring dinger on me again today. He does not do this on other patients here. He does manual therapy, therapeutic exercise, stretches, and deep tissue myofascial release. But he's the only one in the office here to work on me. Y'all keep asking about where Dr. Junton is. Dr. Junton's off doing his own thing, wherever he's at. I don't know. So, quit asking. Okay, so I'm going to flex my head forward and backward. I bet I'm off to the right, huh?
Yeah, just a little bit. This shoulder's higher.
Yep. That's for me bending over doing patients all day long. And Renee bending my ear all day. And Joseph's gotten a lot better with this since y'all saw it last time.
Put me on the spot.
Yeah, it's kind of like you're golfing. You do better under the camera.
I hope so.
You don't see me whining and complaining about how tight the pins are. And I'm a big old fat Texan, so there. I can make jokes about myself. I don't really make fat jokes about any of our patients. We don't call them fat. They are big and they're Texans, so we call them big Texans. Oh, that was better. All right. And y'all love the Turbonator so much, I'm going to let Joseph do the Turbonator on me too. Alright, there we go. See how I get up sideways? That's why you should always get up sideways. I'm used to changing the paper. I can change it for myself. And I better make this.
It's the end of the day.
Yeah, definitely.
His arm's getting tired, right?
Yeah. But I do like the Turbonator. A lot of people, whenever I do it on other patients, they look at it as torture, but personally, it really alleviates a lot of myofascial pain syndrome and myofascial tightness that gets going on in your paraspinal musculature. So thank you, Joseph, for taking care of me. And what would you tell people about our our patients' overall health and well-being since you've been working here? What have you seen happening since you've been here?
I mean, from them walking in the door the first time to leaving, you can see a significant change in them. Patients will come in, won't really talk, will have like a little sad face, and then
And some of them been crying.
right, and then 3 times later they'll come in, they're the happiest person ever. They've been sad because they've been hurting, headaches or migraines or something like that. So you see
Life change.
life change. It's a lifestyle. I mean, you just have to come and check it out for yourself. I mean, I can tell you that even for me, it changed my life. I mean, I'm doing more now. I'm playing with my daughter more. I'm playing golf every weekend. I couldn't swing a club before. I couldn't massage before.
Because you were a patient here before you started working with us.
Yeah, now I'm working here and I'm going golfing every weekend. So, I mean, it really does change your life. It gives you a better outlook. But you got to tell yourself that you're going to get better. And you'll get better.
And you just keep up doing with the things that we say. The people who actually go home and do their exercises and do the things that we say, how to sleep, how to sit, how to stand, how to walk, and how to live their lives, those are the ones that get results quickest, and also they stay well the longest.
Yeah.
So this is your Houston Chiropractor and your Houston Chiropractor's manual therapist and office manager, Renee, Joseph and Renee, here with me, and we're at Advanced Chiropractic Relief LLC in Houston, Texas, and we'll see y'all next time, okay? It's been great.